Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. This quote captures the essence of the season, full of energy, renewal, and excitement. Let's dive into these 4 new patterns and 6 new pieces that are going to make your spring capsule wardrobe shine. First, we start with black and white, a classic in fashion and a strong trend for 2025. This new asymmetric skirt, number 225 Nita's top with Celine's asymmetrical skirt, is the first part of our cluster wardrobe. Paired with a sleeveless black top, number 825 dual bias top, this dynamic combination creates a bold yet chic look. Same 2 patterns, different fabrics, as coordinated looks continue to dominate for 2025. Number 825 dual bias top, with sleeves this time, worn with a skirt from 225 Nita's top. Midi-length skirts are strong for fall 2025 and are being given a test run for spring 2025. Perfect with an easy pair of sandals, and you're ready to celebrate spring. Pattern number 3225, Bergdorf Armani pant, is a standout with its thinned barrel leg design and an additional cargo side pocket. Vertical seams on both the front and back create a flattering silhouette with a bonus leg pocket in between the seams. Paired with one of the strongest colors this spring, hibiscus. This cardi and top are offered in the same pattern. They are number 825 dual bias top and cascade cardi. Made for knits, but oh so many options. For a sophisticated monochromatic look, we have paired the same pant with the same colored tank and a top spring trend and layered it with the cardi from number 825 dual bias top and cascade cardi. The fabric of this cardi is linear and pairs well with the straight lines of the collar. The lines of this outfit are modern, clean, and slimming. The same pant, done in a dark navy cashmere, paired with a new blouse, number 325 Acris Dual Wrap Blouse. The blouse is the best bet for both casual and formal gatherings. The blouse elevates the capsule with its refined wrap detail. Same pant, then mixed with this beautiful silk party blouse that is both stylish and easy to wear and easy to sew. Ruffles on both sleeves, soft gathers, and a back yoke, darted but not overfitted, a V-neck that slips over your head, eliminating the needs for buttons or zippers. A luxurious silk blouse that is a shaped silhouette that's relaxed yet tailored. Grab your favorite jeans and pair them with our newest knit top pattern, number 225 Nita's top and Celine's asymmetric skirt. Both are in the same envelope and can be used together or separate. Nita's top is a great essential knit that makes up part of our capsule wardrobe with soft gathers in the front, back, and sleeve, offering a subtle contemporary twist to a classic design. Our last outfit is as the pattern is, a simple look as we show a sleeveless version of number 225. Top and the skirt in the same envelope. This easy knit outfit is perfect for spring celebrations and a great addition to any wardrobe. Easy knits will be perfect for any spring 2025 occasion. These 4 patterns, offering 6 wardrobe pieces, can work together as a cluster wardrobe or as standalone pieces to help you create numerous outfit possibilities. Time to party in style. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.